in the heart of downtown Seattle to mark a truly unforgettable moment, celebrating India's 79th Independence Day while honoring the rich diversity, culture, and traditions of 1.4 billion people. We now turn to a moment of immense pride. I invite Consul General Gupta to unfurl the Indian flag, after which we will hear the national anthems of India and the United States. I request everyone to please rise.
Namaste, good morning, and Jai Hind. On behalf of the Indian Consulate in Seattle, I'd like to begin by thanking each and every one of you who is present here to join us in this first India Day celebration in the heart of downtown Seattle. Thank you so much for joining us in such large numbers today. Friends, today is special on several counts. I think the first count, which would have got all Indians here together, most probably, even if we're not doing the parade, would be Janmashtami. Today is Janmashtami. At least in India, we are celebrating Janmashtami, which is the birth of Lord Krishna in India, which is a very auspicious day. So it's a very welcome coincidence that we are doing India Day parade on Janmashtami, and my greetings to all members of the Indian community on this auspicious occasion. Today we will see a most unique celebration of each and every state of India, showcasing their art, dance, heritage, and most importantly, what I call Indianness, the spirit of New India, all in honor of the tricolor that is flying today. Yesterday, we had the Tiranga fly on top of the Space Needle yesterday evening, and what a beautiful sight it was. Friends, this to us was a real historical moment in Seattle. It had not happened before, but I told my team late in the night yesterday that all our efforts of last 1.5 years have borne fruit just because of this one sight that we were able to put on display yesterday in Seattle. And I thank once again the city of Seattle for helping us bring this together. Now, you can easily ask, why is this happening? In my view, it's a tribute to the 1.4 billion Indians who make up the Naya Bharat, or the New India, as our Prime Minister calls it. It is a tribute to the nearly 5 million Indian Americans who have made this country their home, thrived, prospered, and contributed here as well. It is also a tribute to all the entrepreneurs of the tech community who have made Seattle their home and done great wonders, whether it's Microsoft, Boeing, or Amazon. So a big round of applause to all members of the Indian American community who have made this Seattle home and done India proud. You can also say, why are we doing this here today? And some of you have been pulled out of your time for the weekend. You could have been easily strolling or gone for a hike in Mount Rainier. But we really wanted to do this today only for one purpose: to celebrate the spirit of the New India in the heart of downtown Seattle, and to ensure that a real taste of what India represents, home to all religions of the world, the world's fastest growing economy, soon to be the third largest economy, the world's largest democracy, and also to showcase the deep human bonds that underpin this India-US relationship. The weather gods have been kind to us. As you all know, we were getting messages on the group, it is supposed to rain, what will happen, what will happen? But again, Mayor, I am very happy to inform you that the Indian gods always side with Indian functions. So we are again blessed to have such a bright and sunny weather. Once again, Namaskar, Jai Hind, let's make this day memorable in Seattle. I now invite our co-host for this event, and by the way, the city of Seattle is our co-host, also a unique first, the Honorable Mayor of Seattle, to please say a few words.
Council General. August 15th, 1947, India demonstrated to the world what independence is all about. Yesterday, we were very proud to raise the flag. But I must remind all of you that could hear my voice that a few decades after the independence of India, a few decades after this country was trying to define who and what it should be, principles of democracy, fighting against tyranny, looking for a future for our children. And we look to the teachings of India through Mahatma Gandhi, through our civil rights leader, Dr. Martin Luther King, who said, you can fight and you can be strong, but you should always be led by love and nonviolence. This message that this country learned from India has indeed shaped our political discourse and our culture. And in 2025, as your mayor, we continue to learn from you. We must learn from you for the lessons of nonviolent protest, for love and for peace, for our families, for beauty, for culture, for art. We can do through love. I'm very proud to have this India Day Parade here in downtown Seattle this year. This is a year of firsts. When we saw the beautiful wind, see, I call it beautiful wind when it's not here. I don't want that beautiful wind today. When we saw that beautiful wind hit that flag just right for the first time in Seattle, we bursted with pride. But I must say publicly, something I've said privately, that all of this energy, this love, demonstrates why leadership matters. And your Consul General, Prakash Gupta, I deal with a lot of Consul Generals from a lot of countries because we are a welcoming city. We embrace our diversity. We embrace our different cultures, our food, our art, our technology, everything that comes in because of the intellect and the love. We embrace it. But our Consul General, Prakash Gupta, I've never seen anyone with so much energy and tenacity, and today I learned a word from him, Indianness. Indianness. So I want to thank you, Consul General, for your incredible leadership, something that I haven't seen since I've been mayor. And I must tell you, you are setting the bar for other countries and how you lead with love. So thank you for blessing our downtown, and after we celebrate and love and sing, we're going to spend some money in these stores downtown is what we're going to do. We're going to shop and stick around for a while. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mayor Harrell, for your inspiring words. It is now my honor to welcome to the podium U.S. Congressman and a great friend of India, Representative Adam Smith, to share a few words.
Thank you. It's great to be here, and it's great to have such wonderful weather. The sky is parted for this beautiful day. First, I want to thank Mayor Bruce Harrell for making this happen and for his leadership in the city. Thank you. It's a terrific event that you've helped bring together here. And I second all of the things you said about Prakash Gupta. He has been an incredible leader for India and for our community. It's great to have him as the Consul General here in the city of Seattle and for bringing the consulate to the city of Seattle in the first place. We're happy to have you here. The relationship between the U.S. and India and the relationship between the Indian American community and our broader community are two of the most important relationships in this area. I want to thank the Indian American community for all of their tremendous leadership. They are leaders in government, in business, and education. You make our community a better place to live for all of us. So thank you for all of that. And as the mayor said, we have an incredibly diverse community, and that is what makes this such a terrific place to live. We speak over 160 different languages in this area, and we need to support immigration. That is the diversity. That is what helps make our community a stronger place. So thank you for that. And I want to thank Prakash again. The relationship between the U.S. and India is enormously important. As the ranking member on the House Armed Services Committee, peace and security across the globe is incredibly important. And I know that the United States of America has no better partner in trying to work towards those goals than India. We look forward to continuing and strengthening that relationship. And thank you for allowing me to join in the celebration of India Day and the independence of India today. Have a great day. Have a great parade. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Congressman Adam Smith, for your ongoing support and for joining us this morning. Before we begin our parade, we have a special treat for you all. Natyam is a uniquely curated dance performance bringing together India's classical dance forms from all across the country, beautifully woven into one vibrant mosaic. Directed by Prashanthi Chitra, this performance is a tribute to the grace, rhythm, and spirit of India's performing arts. Please join me in giving them a very warm round of applause. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाएं अपने दिलों में हमसे पूछे ये बात रे वतन।
a motherland. Motherland to Vedas and scriptures, to yoga and Ayurveda, to people and many cultures, to arts and science, to technology and innovations.
Bharat is an emotion of pride, love, and unity.
Representing the state of Telangana approaches to the performance area, I am delighted to hand over the program to my community colleague Sonia, who will guide us through the next segment of this morning's celebration. Dhanyavad and Jai Hind, everyone.
Welcome everyone once again to the celebration of our nation's pride, India's 79th Independence Day, for the first time here in Seattle.
ఎల్లమ్మ నా గజ్జలాట చూడే ఓషమ్మ ఈ డప్పుల దరువులకు ఎల్లమ్మ నా గజ్జలాట చూడే ఓషమ్మ ఈ కుక్కిలమై సాచిపోగల పెద్దమ్మ శివ సత్తుల తీగాలు చూడే మాయమ్మ పుట్టల పుట్టినవమ్మ బంగారు తల్లివమ్మ మంటిల పుట్టినవమ్మ మాబురాల ఎల్లమ్మ గంగల పుట్టినవమ్మ గంభీరాల ఎల్లమ్మ మందంగా సేపుగదే మందామై సమ్మవమ్మ కంటముగా సేపుగదే కట్టామై సమ్మవమ్మ బొమ్మల నువ్వే కుంకుమ పట్టువమ్మ అగో ఈ గండ్ల బోనమే ఎల్లమ్మ బెల్లంబు బాబోనమే పోషమ్మ ఈ గండ్ల బోనమే ఎల్లమ్మ బెల్లంబు బాబోనమే
Northeast of India, which is home to 8 incredible states that are bursting with culture, nature and tradition. So give it up, ladies and gentlemen, the Northeast of India. bring you the vibrant spirit of Haryana, where tradition, resilience, and community come alive. This float is themed around the Chaupal, which is the heart of every Haryanvi village. And today, the Chaupal also celebrates inclusivity with Mahila Chaupals, giving women a stronger voice in community life. So without any further ado, let's give it up for Haryana.
काम में होवेगा आज खुड़का जुत्ती मड़कड़ाड़ी पहरू छिड़ेगी बहुआ में तकरार जब मैं हवा की दरिया लहरूं सोने की गुट्ठी गले में हार डालूंगी 52 गज का दमड़ पैर में टक चलूंगी 52 गज का दमड़ पैर में टक चलूंगी.
And next up, we have Jammu and Kashmir, bridging hearts and connecting horizons. From the crown of India, where mountains kiss the sky, we bring you Jammu and Kashmir, which is a land of snow-capped peaks, shimmering lakes, and lush gardens.
सरगम के मीठे मीठे सुर घोलो बिंद पोषमाल गिनने गाय रोलो प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो
And next up, let's get ready for the royal colors of Rajasthan, the land of the kings. From golden deserts to the majestic palaces, Rajasthan shines with history, art, and tradition. So let's fill the air with more energy as we have Rajasthan coming up next.
बाबू सारे लाडली रे बाबू सारे लाडली आगो दौड़ी दौड़ी आगो दौड़ी दौड़ी पीवे आगे जामो चिरे मीनो आगो दौड़ी दौड़ी रे आगो दौड़ी दौड़ी पीवे जामो चिरे मीनो.
Next up in line, we celebrate Uttar Pradesh, the land of the legends, spirituality, and timeless culture. Let's step into the magical world of Vrindavan as the UP Parivar brings Krishna Leela to life. And what better day for it when it's Janmashtami in India? Vibrant costumes, rhythmic beats, and heartfelt devotion. And that was Indian Heritage Art Group and the talented students of Deepti Design School of Art, celebrating the soul of India through art. And now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the heart heart of India come alive. Welcome to Delhi, Bharat Ka Dil.
धरती सुनहरी अंबर धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन गिर के आए, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा।
stage on fire with Egiri Nandini. Can we fill the air with energy? That is next in line, Gurukul.
तिरंगा के नीचे हम एक है, भाषा भले अलग दिल एक है। तिरंगा के नीचे हम एक है, इंडिया मेरी जान, हम सब एक है। बंगाली से नमस्कार, असम बोले नमस्कार, ओडिया से आए शब्द प्यारे, मणिपुरी का कुरुंजाई, संताली जो है के साथ खुशी लाए, बोडो का गुना, नेपाली का नमस्ते गुनगुनाए। ईस्ट का रंग, भाषा का रंग, एक तिरंगा, एक धुन, एक संग।
Now approaching a vibrant float from the state of Kerala.
अमर पारा तुमर पारा पारा ए ओ पारा, चला संगी कर माल किले खाल पारा। अमर पारा तुमर पारा पारा ए ओ पारा, चला संगी कर माल किले खाल पारा। छोटे बड़े कर्म डारा, छोटे बड़े कर्म डारा, गड़ाए खिलते हमर सारा है। गड़ाए खिले कर्म डारा, अरे हाय गड़ाए खिले कर्म डारा, खिला खिला गड़ाए खिले कर्म डारा, अरे हाय गड़ाए खिले कर्म डारा।
Fabrics and cultural pride comes alive in every step. So let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen. That is Sari Speaks.
Presenting to you the saris from India. Jamawar sari from Jammu and Kashmir. Fulkari from Punjab. Banarsi from Uttar Pradesh.
of India. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, that's Maharashtra.
ज्ञानो विज्ञान प्रदर्शित नेत्र जननी 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 विद्याधर सिद्धेन्द्र योगिवर श्रीकुचेलपुरश्रित मंगार सिद्ध विद्याधर सिद्धेन्द्र योगिवर मी कृपामृत में नित्य जीवनमय मी कृपामृत में नित्य जीवनमय प्रागियल्लु मृदु पदमुले घनमौ प्रागियल्लु मृदु पदमुले घनमौ मी कृपामृत में नित्य जीवनमय प्रागियल्लु मृदु पदमुले घनमौ तदिं दिं तनन दिरन दिं तजिं तितिलन तन तन तितिलन तिलन
Angamardana, as a system, has many dimensions. One is pure physical culture, to bring fitness into one's life. To be fit is not about showing off your muscle. To be fit means whatever you wish to do, your body was never the hurdle or the obstacle in your life. That means you're fit. To have a body which is not a nuisance.
भारत माता की जय।